Hello everyone. Today I'll show you some very important settings that affect your privacy. Did you know that every step you take, every comment you write on YouTube, every word you do, you type in even if just the court video, even if it's just to find some information, it's all recorded and sent to developers for analysis, so they can analyze how you interact with YouTube. That means every video you've watched over the past 3 years is recorded and all that data is there. And if you think you can just go to YouTube and clear the cache or data, no, that won't help. Even completely deleting YouTube and then reinstall, it won't help because it's all stored on Google's servers. There are two ways to access them. I'll tell you everything now. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. It turns. So the first way is to go to the standard settings and scroll down to find the line called to Google Near. Well, go here and you'll see your Google account below Kane. Go here and access the necessary settings. The second way is to access it directly through the YouTube app itself. So when you log in, look for your account below, then tap Google Accounts, and you'll be redirected to this page. Here, tap Data and Privacy Pool. Here, you'll find three settings. The first is Web and App History. This means we'll disable it to prevent tracking your browsing history. Timeline is also disabled to prevent tracking your location and prevent it from constantly sending you your location. And here's YouTube history itself.